And now on from Woodward Express to Kokomo Express. It's basically exactly the same as Woodward. I think it was made in 2018 though. They also have an EJ chair here with I think that's a puck style bar. See if it still works. Yep, it still works. There's no taco on it anymore though. So yeah, I don't know where this chair came from. It might have just been an extra order to be right there. And now let's go explore Kokomo. So this lift isn't open either for the summer. Pretty standard Doppelmayr Uni-g. Also has the short terminal because of space confinements. Basically allowing a design speed of 1,000 feet per minute. It's definitely a bit harder to walk up here than it is in lower elevation places. Kokomo Express, there's the sign. And this is mainly a beginner lift. It services some beginner runs. Usually only runs about 600 feet per minute. Again, we got Doppelmayr logo. You can see the tires up there. We got our EJ chairs with restraint bars. I think they're reinforced. And we got the folded up seat for the summer. And then this one obviously has Agamatic grips instead of DT grips, even though they're available at the time. And then again, got another chair here. I don't know if you can see the Agamatic grip. There's one right in there. And then we got our control box here, and then our controls in here with some extra controls and a voltage box there. And it's pretty peaceful in here. Got the terminal underskin where the bull wheel is. Another chair there. It's chair 6. And then more Agamatic grips along the line. These shivs are definitely a lot shinier than Woodward's. We've got the red position detection shiv on the beginning and the end. And this Uni-g terminal just looks really sleek. Yeah, and that's it for Kokomo. I try to get shots of American Eagle and American Flyer tomorrow.